Recording.
Everybody, can you wave to Claudina? Waters.
Daddy, I can't put Hi, Claudina.
Hi, Water. ¿Cómo dice Santa? Ho, 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 ho.
Sissy, what does Santa say? What does Santa say? Sarah.
Say.
Sarah. Oh, I give up.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, girls, there are more presents over here for certain people.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
More
Oh my
presents.
God.
Wait. Let's see. What's in here? Wait, let's see. Done. This is for you two. Okay, both girls, can you carry this? Yes, right there. Why don't you put it right there on the floor, right there.
Shut up.
What did she just say? What did you say? That's not okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Is that for you?
Oh wow. Are these DVDs?
No way! Say, show that to Claudina.
Look at this one.
And you can do the stamp activities today. Look at the movies.
Look at Say.
Oh, look at you with your funky headband. Sissy, please don't stand on that box. That's not okay. Okay, what else do we have here?
Notebook.
Oh, girls, you can give this to Poppy.
We have to think about.
Yes, we do. Hey, Waters, can you give this to Poppy? Ahorita, mira.
Oh, that's perfect.
Here,
Did I hurt your head?
Waters. Can you give this to Poppy? Say Merry Christmas. No. This is Daddy's present. Here, this is Daddy's present. There you go, Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
Come on, girls. We have to watch what Daddy has.
Look.
Look, what is this for Poppy?
Look what Daddy got. Girls.
Girls, look what Daddy has.
Oh my goodness.
Is it a watch? Okay, Claudina. What is?
Look.
Yeah, it's not.